You stack them up and move your checkers around and take one and then put it right on. Then grab 1, 2 of these. 1, 2 of these and 1, 2 of these. Then move all your stuff like these where you want.
Okay, can you show me how to do it on your turn? Where do you put them?
I come wherever I want. I just spread them out because you need to.
So what do I do for my turn?
You must sneak and get one of these.
How do I sneak?
And bring it to yours.
Well, thank you for explaining the game to me. I'm ready to play.
Do you know how to play now?
Yeah, you explained all the rules.